Why are data contract specs useless without enforcement? Well, data contracts are agreements between producers and consumers about what data is going to be produced and what constraints need to be put into place to determine the SLAs on that data. Now, unfortunately, a data contract without enforcement is really just documentation. It's a description of what the data is, but it doesn't have any teeth. And by that, I mean, if the constraints turn out to be violated, then there's nothing stopping a software engineer or whoever the producer is from simply ignoring those alerts and continuing about their day to day. And we don't want data contracts to simply be something that producers put in place to pay lip service to complaining data engineering organizations. We actually want them to be actionable, and that requires enforcement. So, what do I mean by enforcement? Enforcement means that violating a data contract is, at the absolute minimum, difficult to do. And at maximum, we're able to record when those violations happen, track them over time, and ideally attribute them back to the changes that caused those issues in the first place. So enforcement is incredibly important. It is the primary mechanism that we give our data contracts teeth, and it requires uh, fundamentally integrating with the technology where producers are doing their day-to-day work.